wayfaring stranger, while journeying through this world of woe. Yet there's no sickness, toil, no danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going there to see my Father. I'm going there no more to roam. I'm only going over Jordan. I'm only going over home. I know dark clouds will gather on me. I know my way is rough and steep, yet beautiful fields lie just before me, and God's redeemed their vigils keep. I'm going there to see my Father. I'm going there no more to roam. I'm only going over Jordan. I'm only going over home. I'm going there, oh, to see my mother. I'm going there no more to roam. I'm only going over Jordan. I'm only going over home. I want to wear that crown of glory when I get home to that good land. Well, I want to shout salvation story in concert with the blood-washed band.